Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full review of a piece of software called Vidnami, and I'm also going to share like a full demo of the software as well. So with that said, let's get started. So for those of you that don't know, Vidnami used to be a tool called Content Samurai, but the company rebranded and it's now called Vidnami. It's a web-based video creation tool, so you can use it on either a Mac or a PC, and you don't have to download anything. So you just log in like I've done here, and you will see an interface like this. So if I go to create a video, I've got a few videos that I've created. You would come to this interface, and you have a choice of what sort of video you want to create. You can create a content-based video using one of these templates. You can create an influencer video where you possibly need to use a video and use one of these templates to basically put a frame around your video. Or you can come to do an instant ad. This is mainly for promotions at the moment, and that could be Valentine's or Christmas Day promotion. You can do these promotions on social media, for instance, using these templates. They also have a sales-based video that can be used in different niches. They've got medical, accounting, legal, plumbing, chiropractic, health, travel, organic, and so on and so forth. You've also got an option to do a course or training video. So if you've got a course, for instance, and you want to turn that course into a video content, you can use one of these templates as well. And the last one, or the other one they've got, is a property video. And again, you can use one of these templates to basically upload pictures of, if you're a real estate or realtor, you can upload pictures of your property, and this would in turn turn it into a full real estate video. If you wait to the end of this video, I will show you how you can get some cool bonuses where I actually show you how to do all this. And the last one is a custom template. So if you've got a video of yourself or a video that you just want to kind of like convert into a full-blown video, you can use this template for that. So once you've decided on what sort of video you want to create, you want to come down to a script. So Vidnami would ask you to enter a script. You definitely need a script to be able to turn that script into a video. Let me just give you a cool example of what I'm talking about. So let's go here. So this is one of the videos that I created earlier on. It's to promote short video ads. So what I did is I used one of these templates, I think, yeah. So I used the content template. So I just put in here, do you need short video ads? And just says a short script. Do you need short video ads, fast professional, social media, cooking show, lifestyle, product review, promote your business, corporate, fitness video? So I'm just asking basically my audience what sort of short videos do they need. And once I've put in the script could be your script, it could be something, it could be a PLR script, it could be maybe a blog post that you're looking to turn into video, it could be anything just like that. So once you've done that, you want to go to scenes, and basically the scene feature helps you to take a script and convert that, well, use artificial intelligence from Vidnami to turn the script, or match the script to some pictures or clips. And so basically you get something like this. So as you can see, it's saying, do you need short video ads? It's created 13 different scenes that you can use. So let me just show you the scenes that it's created for us. So it's saying fast and professional. So as you can see, it's matching the script to a clip or an image. So it's saying social media. Do you want short video ad on lifestyle? So it breaks up the script more or less into short scenes that it understands. Sometimes, and this is one of the drawbacks of this piece of software, you might need to use a different clip if what you're trying to match, if you don't feel what you're trying to match the script to is what Vidnami comes back with. So what I mean is, for instance, if you say something like promote your business, and this are royalty free clips, by the way, so you can use any of them. So you might decide, oh, I'm not happy with this, and you might decide, oh, I want to use something else. So as you can see, that would come up. And once you've finished with the scenes, it will now prompt you to add voice track to your video. So here you have options to either not use any voice track, in which case only music alone will be used. You could use one of the auto voices, and these are just voiceovers that come with the system, and you have the choice of using a USA based voice track person, a United Kingdom voice track person, an Australian voice track person if you want. And if I can even play you a sample.
Hi, my name is Olivia and I would love to read the script for your video.
So they're kind of like robotic voices, so it's your choice if you want to use that, or perhaps you can just record your own screen, well, your own script. So you press record, so I can say, do you need short video ads, for instance? So I can just go, I can just record. Yes, I can just record what's on the screen, and that would be interpreted to me. And the last one is you can upload a voice track. So basically, you can go to a site like Fiverr.com, get your script actually read out by a voiceover artist, and they will give you an MP3. You can bring the MP3 here, and it would match the MP3 to the scenes on the video. And once you finish doing that, you go to preview. So this would, okay, this is saying I need to upload a voice track. Let's go back. Let's, for these purposes, say we don't want a voice track. Let's go preview. So this will go away and generate the scenes. And as you can see, it will now give you the option to add some background music. And you've got different moods that you can add: angry, dark, epic, happy, inspiring, love, playful, relaxing, sad, serious. And you've also got different genre as well that you can use. You can use your own music if you prefer. So you have that option as well. Yes, you can use your music. You can add a watermark. That's another option. So you can decide, oh, I want to watermark my videos with the logo or with my logo. So you can create a watermark, or you can decide you don't want a watermark. And then the last thing is you have the option to, I think this last option is to, yeah, just, it gives you the option to maybe show each scene for 5 seconds, or you can more or less decide how many seconds you want each scene to show, and then you apply it. You can change the volume of the music as well. So you got a lot of options to generate good quality videos. And the beauty about this system, which I like, is you don't necessarily need to show your face on the video. You can knock out, well, you can knock up some good videos for your, whether you're an e-commerce guy person, or maybe you're an affiliate promoting other people's products, or you want to or you're a local business person, or you're a freelancer and you just want to create some videos for local businesses. There's a lot of options right here for you. And once you've done that, I'm just going to wait for this to update, and I would continue. Okay, it's finished updating. So if I do look good. So you have an option to either render the video in 720 resolution or 108 resolution. So I'll just say 108. So we'll go away and generate the video. This is going to take a bit of time, so I'm just going to, I'll be back once this is finished. So once the video is finished generating, you can just download it, and it also leaves a copy of the video on the account. So if I go back, so as you can see, it's left the video right here, and yeah, you can have generated quite a lot of videos for different clients. For instance, a local vet, alarm installation Inc. So, and they're very, very good videos. Let me just play the video and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's a very short video, but it gets the message across, and it's very professional. So yes, that's Vidnami, the web-based tool. I'll just answer a few questions. Who is it? What's the unique sales for this video? Basically, it's a tool to basically create videos fast. So all you need is a script, and Vidnami takes care of the rest for you. If you're an affiliate marketer, or a local business owner, or somebody that works with local business, or an affiliate, or a product owner, you can use this tool to create videos fast for your product and services. In terms of how much investment is needed, at the moment they've got a 14-day trial, so you can try this piece of software out for 14 days and check it out, create a lot of videos, and see if it's for you. After that, it's $47 a month to basically use this piece of software. I think every now and then they have they have discounts. So at the at, at this point in time, I think there's possibly a discount. I'll have to check that out and let you know about that. Um, how much would it cost to? How much extra would it cost to make money with this? Basically, it really depends on what you want to use it for. I do a lot of freelance work, so I just knock out these videos and I sell it to local business owners. So I don't really necessarily need any extra income to generate these professional looking videos. Are there any pros and cons of of the tool? Apart from the fact that when you're generating the scenes, sometimes the video clips that are matched to the actual scripts might not necessarily be the same, so you might need to change that. I can't see um, any other cons of this piece of software. It's very good. You don't need to download anything. You can just get access, and whether you're using a PC um, or you're using a Mac, it's accessible to all users. In terms of my bonuses, basically what I've done is um, I've created some Vidnami-based videos in different niches. So I think in about 12, 13 niches. So I'll be adding that as a bonus that you can use either for yourself or your customers. All you need to do is customize one of these. Let's say, for instance, you're working with an alarm installation company. All you need to do is go to the script. You need to go to the script and just amend the script and just add their details. So that's the first bonus. The second bonus that I'm adding on is I've actually done a 10-part video creation series, and in that series I show you different ways that you can use Vidnami to make an income with. So I'll be adding that as well as an extra bonus. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please leave me a message and let me know if you've got any queries or whatsoever. And I hope you take up the trial at least. Just check it out and see what Vidnami is all about. I use it in my business every day, and I think it's a fantastic tool to have in your armory. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.